Today we are looking at version 6 software download for macOS. As soon as you purchase a package or an F122 frequency generator from our website or from one of our service reps, we'll send you an email that has TrueRife version 6 software download. We'll go ahead and click this link to download button right at the top here, which will take you to our website. And we're looking at the download button for the version 6 for Mac, so we'll click that here. I'm on Google Chrome, so it will show up in the bottom left-hand corner here, but if you're on Safari, it'll go down to your downloads in the bottom here. We'll go ahead and do that because most users do here. Click on the setup. Should open us up, and we're going to double-click that DMG file. It says setup TR 6.0. Go ahead and exit out of this while we're doing it in the background. All right, you'll see a little F100 icon book has appeared over here. First thing we're going to do is grab this F100 icon and drag it into the applications. It's just going to copy that over, and then we'll go to our applications folder and where we'll actually open up the F100 file. Okay, after that's done, we can exit out of our downloads and we'll open the applications folder. And here's our F100. Double click on that. And every time this is going to come up, the F100 cannot be opened because the developer cannot be verified. That's just a security setting, so we're just going to hit cancel here. We're going to go up into the Apple icon in the top left-hand corner, click System Preferences. We're going to click on Security and Privacy here in the middle of the screen. Double-click that. And we're going to go to the General tab. And right here in the bottom left-hand corner, there's a little lock. You want to click the unlock for that. You want to go ahead and type in your computer password. Click unlock. And then we're going to go ahead and hit open anyway, right here in the right hand corner. Right here you can see it says F100 was blocked because it's not from an identified developer. We're going to bypass this and we're going to click that open anyway button. And then you're going to click open again. Download TrueRife data. Not installed. We're going to go ahead and install those now. Those are all your frequency files. And boom. If you look at the very bottom here, we're just doing a recent update, done updating frequencies. All we need to do now is hit open program. You've got your full library and we should be ready to go.